What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Edge remote key fob. This Ford Edge key is going to be for the 2015 to 2017 Ford Edge, and it's going to use CR2025 replacement batteries. It's going to use 2 of them. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and we're going to remove this back cover. So up here, you can see there's this button, and you may be able to press that button down far enough with your finger like that, but it can be a little bit hard to get it down far enough. What I like to do is grab a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to come up here to the top of the button like this and then push it down, and then that back cover will come off. Either way, once we get that back cover off, I'm going to come in here, and if we're calling where the key ring is down here, the bottom, I'm going to come up here to the top, and there's this outer shell right here, and then there's another plastic piece that's inside of it. So I'm going to get my screwdriver in here like this, and then pry the 2 plastic pieces apart like that. And then on this middle plastic piece, once we get that off, you can see our batteries right here. I'll use my screwdriver to get underneath them and get them out of this battery holder. And then on this white plastic piece, you can just kind of hold that out of the way with your other finger. I'll grab my first battery. My first replacement battery is going to go in there with the plus side up, positive side up. So snap that down into place and then let that plastic piece go. So it's in between them like that. And then on the second one, this one's going to go plus side down, positive side down. Once we have our batteries in there like that, we'll go ahead and put it back on this side. These are going to go in here like this. And if we look on the bottom, we see there's these 2 kind of loops, these 2 black plastic loops, and those hook on those 2 little silver clips like that. Once you have those loops on there, then you'll just snap that back down into place. Once that's all the way snapped down, we can put this back cover on. And looking on the bottom of this cover, you can see there's that little kind of tab right there. That hook, that little hook of a tab. That's going to hook on like this. And then the back cover will snap on like that. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.